It's the last day of the Eid holiday and it's beach day.
It is beach day today and my brother-in-law Shola Ojo, wife and daughter are visiting us for the Eid holiday. We thought to enjoy this holiday at the beach with them. The Ojo twins, my sons, are super excited to be going to the beach too. And their nanny, Miracle, is a year older today. So it's a good reason for us to go play at the beach. As a social media influencer, my days are usually filled with activities. Today, I have one of my clients opening her first restaurant. As one of her influencers, it is pertinent I show up to give her my support. So I pleaded with the beach party to allow me to say my congratulations on our way to the beach. I found the place. The opening ceremony has started, but celebrant is not here yet. I found my way to her and gave her my sincere congratulations.
Congratulations!
So happy for you.
I'm telling you,
This is so nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations.
It is so good seeing businesses grow. This is wishing UD Foods more successes. So time to hit the beach. Driving in Lagos during holidays can be a bit easy as the road may likely be free from tough traffic. Over there is the National Theatre Lagos. It is a beauty, I must admit. Well, Lagos traffic is unpredictable. So here we have to go a bit slower while the traffic hawkers sell their wares in traffic. Being in traffic with cute baby Tiara is not boring. She's a cutie and is going to be her first time at the beach too. Yeah, that is the beautiful CMS Cathedral in Lagos. My cameras didn't catch that on time. We have arrived the island part of Lagos. There is water everywhere. Lots of private beaches these days and we have booked one of the cabanas of a new private beach for this outing. The cabana cost 50,000 naira inclusive of entry fees. Just before we got to the beach, my husband requested we stop by at the Mavin's office where he is heading a construction project.
It's a very sunny day in Lagos. Good for the beach, but this is pretty hot. Pretty hot. So, but we had to stop by. My husband needed to check out how far the construction at the Mavin office is. He's in charge of the construction there. He just stopped by to check it out. So he can have family time with us without thinking of the project or the construction.
We had to let him so he can give us full attention at the beach. Okay, we are here now.
Ali, we are at the good beach. The good beach. Good brand name if you ask me.
We went straight to the ticket stand and got our tags. Then we're led to our cabana. Next, we ordered for food and drinks because this beach does not allow fun seekers to bring in food. Else, you guys know I would have made the bestest beach recipes. Alright, we took pictures. Here, the twins are taking memorable photos with their little cousin Tiara. After photo session, we head straight to the waters. I am not a good swimmer, and only one of the twins is enthusiastic about swimming. I won't let us go beyond the banks. Here, the beach waves will come meet us. What I love doing most at the beach is picking seashells, and that I did, while the boys threw some shells back into the water. A little bit of sunbathing, but I do not subscribe to it. The sun is too hot. So I ran back to our cabana as soon as the drinks came in. The boys had their drinks and I got strawberry daiquiri I ordered along with some suya. We went back to play in the sand and to make some videos for YouTube shorts. I had to do lots of takes as the twins would not let me appear in my short videos alone. Fine, I let them. They had lots of fun running around in the sand while the daddies played Ludo. Here comes the food. One of the waitress kinda recognized me. She's a fan of foodies and spice. The jollof rice was really tasty with lots of ginger.
You just sit down with the play opposite. No worry.
It's not the first thing. I didn't want to come out.
You shall come out. If to say one none come out now here, but they pay me, but as I say one come out.
Don't do that, they pay every day after work.
At this point, baby Tiara has fallen asleep and the twins are learning how to play Ludo.
So it's time for the boat ride.
It was going to cost us 10,000 naira per person. We thought it would be fun to help us create good holiday memories, and the twins have never been on a boat, so they will have something to remember this holiday. Life jackets on, even baby Tiara, and off we went to the boat. I thought the boys would be scared, but they were super brave even with the speed. There was music on the boat, so it was great for dancing on water. After about 20 minutes on water, we are back, and the boys needed more. We all had fun at the beach. The boat ride capped it all. But just before we go, how about dancing in the water with my boo? Yes, we had a fun day and it is time to go.
We had a beautiful beach day.
Honestly.
The sun set as we rode back to the Lagos mainland. We are happy to have created this fun memory for the family, especially the boys. Oh, one of the twins lost a loose tooth at the beach.
Let's see. Open the teeth. You lost a tooth. Open it very well.
Let me see.
You want to see?
Time to go sort out tooth fairy issues.
If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, share and comment. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do click on the subscribe button and notification bell to enjoy more of my recipes.